Danny Chart here with X-Smasher 16. We heard someone coming in here making loud booming noises, didn't we?
Yep, and we didn't get murdered, so that's good.
No, we didn't get caught. We stayed quiet, and we've heard someone on the ghost radio say "Gavan."
Oh, that's legendary.
That Luke's reaction was so funny.
Put it on YouTube.
Oh, what? Put what on YouTube?
The video you're doing now.
Oh. And yeah.
I just laughed my head off.
When it said Kavan, you did.
I was like, oh my god!
And then it said my name, and then it called Luke Kavan.
And then I done the MG42.
Yeah.
Do the MG42 sound like it is? Someone give me a higher.
Hell yeah. Ready?
Yeah, bro.
We're in the abandoned area.
Do you want to put this in your pocket or something, then you can just plug it straight in?
If you hear any banging on this camera, just let me know. And let me know in the comments, and on Luke's comment I'll put his username.
Is it plugged in properly? Go check. Yeah.
I'll send Luke's. She said I miss you.
Is it in?
It's in. Why is it not
Give it a
charging?
shake.
What do you mean a shake?
That's how you turn it on. Wait, is it on? It's on! Oh no, it's on! No. Wait, you plug it. Can you get it out? Is that okay?
Yeah.
No, the battery.
They're hearing all this. It's not on. Why has it turned itself off? Did the ghost turn it off? Charging.
Okay, good. You're good.
Yeah. Well, I'll put that in your pocket.
What?
You what? You want to die? Or suck a dick? No, I shouldn't say that. Whoopsie. I'll just cut that out.
We go edit out. We're going to edit that.
Yeah, we're going to edit that bit out. What should we do? Stay in here a bit longer?
Close some stuff up.
Should we?
Come on! I was falling!
Should we light something on fire? No, we'll get noticed straight away.
Yeah. And it's stinking place out.
Look how dark it is.
Why does it feel like it's night time?
Look.
Why is there no light anywhere?
What the fuck?
It feels like it's night time. Is your phone still charging?
It's 4:37.
Is your phone still charging?
Yeah. It's night time here, guys. No, I'm joking, it's morning. But there's no light.
Bro, it's not morning, it's fucking evening.
Is it?
Yeah,